Alright YouTube, welcome back to another update. Jaylee's Love. I have a lot going on today. Been cleaning, flying birds, feeding. So I'm gonna give you a quick update on what's going on currently. So I have the two new white Oma here. As you can see, they laid their first egg. So we're gonna have some chicks soon from this pair. So that's the male up there, and this is the hen. Roller pigeons here. So some new squab for the roller, and take them out. Can't wait for these to start flying so I can see how they do. One more squab up here. Take out this one. Oh wow, there's an egg. So the squabs sitting on the egg. Let me show you the egg. So there's an egg down there. Alright guys, moving along. Yeah, sorry about that. That's Strider and Tokyo playing in the background. And congratulations to Bolt. Got his first set of squab from his new hen. I think I'm gonna ring these. Bolt has his first set of squab from his new hen. Blue checker, white flights. So yeah guys, definitely gonna keep these. So I'm gonna ring them soon, giving them probably by Saturday. No, Sunday. I ring these two, as I'm not gonna sell these two. Alright, let me put them back. Bolt is outside as usual. Roller pigeons. Alright, moving along. So I have these Tippler out for the first time. I think I have one in the sky. They're out for the first time. There you go, that's one of them. Today's their first time out. And these two are from the original breeding pair. So I'm gonna watch them. Make sure I get them back in safely. So the mom here with the dad. Let me see what they have up there. Right, so I think one of the chicks died in the egg, so they have one squabby here. Nice. They have one squab. Moving along. One thing I realized with my tipplers, they're always tame. So yeah, this one is out for the first time, not even flying away from me. Alright, so what we got here seems like it's a grizzle. this pair. It's gonna be a grizzle, almost similar to the dad, if not the same. So yeah, moving along. As I stated before, this one is out for the first time. Wow, bad choice. They're gonna fight him. Let me check him out. This one is from this pair, and this pair is the grandparents for that little squab there. They're the parents for these. So yeah. Alright, so the red and the yellow up here as their squab too. Well, now let me check how much. As I stated, I've been busy not feed the birds, but I didn't look in the nest. So let me just check how much. Alright guys, so this is what the yellow and the red gave me. Not sure what color it is as yet, but I'll keep you guys posted. Not sure what color it is as yet. Alright, moving along. I want to make this video short as possible. Alright guys, so look at this. So the whites are out, hence why this is empty. I have my parrots here. Doing great. Likes the camera, right? Likes the camera? Huh? Likes the camera? Hello? Hello? Say hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. Alright, moving along, guys. Who wanted to see Bolt? There is Bolt. Alright, guys, so I have one squab down here and 2 fertile egg. One squab there and 2 fertile egg. Alright, moving along. I have one squab here, 2 fertile egg, just the same. So 1 upstairs, 1 downstairs, 2 fertile egg upstairs, 2 fertile egg downstairs. Some jet black, still haven't paired as yet. Probably it's 2 same gender. Still hasn't paired as yet, but I like them. Probably just gonna get a hen pretty soon and try out one of them with a hen. Alright, so I think I'm saving the best for last, which is my yellow pair here. Finally got 2 egg from them. Last update I actually cleaned and let me see how much. Alright, 2 egg. Sorry to disturb. So I got 2 eggs from my yellow. So yeah guys, a lot going on here at J. Lee's Loft. A lot of breeding. White Oma is gonna be tossed soon. Their first toss. They could have been tossed already, but been so busy. So alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching another update. Remember, I'm starting to do car videos also, so if you're a lover of cars, you can also subscribe to my channel, and I'll still be doing the videos with the birds. So yeah, thanks for watching this update guys. If you're new to my channel, please remember to share, like and subscribe.